Find the circumference. So we know how to use the diameter to find your circumference. It's pi times d. But radius and diameter have a relationship that we can use to our advantage. Radius is exactly half of diameter all the time. That's never going to change. So the radius is always half the diameter, or the diameter is twice as big as your radius. So if you know that diameter is twice as big as a radius, you could actually change the formula C equals pi times d. You could change this d. You know that diameter is also equal to 2 times r. So you can change it to 2 times r, because d and 2 times r are the same. So we can use this version of the formula instead. 2 times pi, or 2 times r times pi will give you circumference. Now, it doesn't matter what order you write these in. You could write it as 2 times pi times r, and I think this is probably the more common way you'll see it. But that's also equal to this. When you eliminate your multiplication symbol, it means the same thing. This means 2 times pi times r. So if you see this, don't get confused. This means 2 times pi times r. It's a shortcut. All right, so now, estimate and calculate the circumference of the circle. Again, rounding to 1 decimal place. Let's see how this looks. We have a circle with a 6.8 centimeter radius. So we look at our new formula, 2 times pi times r, and we're going to estimate. So 2 times 3, 6.8 is close to 7, so we're going to multiply it by 7. So 2 times 3 is 6, times 7 gives us 42 centimeters. That's our estimation. For the calculation, 2 times pi, so 2 times 3.14, times radius, so we'll use the 6.8 here. We'll get 42.704 on your calculator, but we want 1 decimal place, so we're looking at 42.7 centimeters. So, be aware of what numbers have been given to you, and use the most appropriate formula, whether it's pi times d or pi times 2 times r. In this next show, you're going to practice using 2 pi r. Give it a go.